Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna cook a Turkish dish called Tavuk Çorbası. That means chicken soup. It's so easy to cook and it's so good for the kids if you want to give to them. It's so famous over here. Simple to cook and the ingredients, I hope inshallah everything gonna be available over there in India. We need a chicken breast like this one. It is like around 250 grams. And we need some shahriya. Shahriya means vermicelli in India. 3 tablespoons of vermicelli, all-purpose flour. That means maida. 1 tablespoon of maida. 3 tablespoons of yogurt, dahi, and 1 medium-sized egg. Half of a lemon. We're gonna use this 4 ingredients together. We're gonna add lemon at last. If you guys like a bit hot soup, you should add black pepper. For me, I really like to add black pepper. With black pepper, it tastes so good. So, cut this chicken into 3 small pieces. Add a little bit of oil. When the oil become hot, we're gonna add the chicken. So you guys can use the high flame for this thing. So we will cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. Add hot water while you are cooking. Don't add the cold water. It is almost ready. You have to let it be brown, there is no problem. It's all about the taste, the aroma of chicken. It should be. So from now on I'm going to start cooking Turkish video for Indian viewers. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Okay, now I'm gonna add water. So for this around 250 to 300 grams of chicken, I'm gonna add 5 glasses of hot boiled water. I'm gonna add 5. It is around. We will cook this thing for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'll get back to you. Okay. It's cooking for around 15 minutes. So while cooking, most of the time the foam will come on. So just remove the foam with a strainer or something. Chicken is cooked, so we're gonna remove this chicken into a plate. We're gonna wait for like 5 minutes. So we're gonna make, what do you say for this thing? Piece. Tavuk parça yapmak doğru mu?
In my place we say tillemek.
So,
Tavuğu tilliyoruz. But it's only in Yenice people say. Not in everywhere.
So we will make tavuk tilliyoruz.
Tilliyoruz. Tavuk.
Yahya.
Küçük parçalıyoruz.
Puçe. He saw that. So now
you can use a hand also, but I don't know. I like to do with fork. It is easier for me.
So our chicken stock is ready. So now we're gonna add the ingredients to the chicken stock. For that, first what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the egg in a bowl. Then we're gonna add the yogurt. Then we're gonna mix them well. Now you can add a little bit of chicken stock. Little by little, don't add too much. And we're gonna add little by little the white flour, all-purpose flour or maida. We're gonna add a little bit more chicken stock. this time when you're gonna start boiling, boil in the medium heat. So we'll wait until start boiling, then we're gonna add our chicken. So now it start boiling, so the water become low, so I'm gonna add one more glass of water. So now we're gonna add the shahriya, that means barmasli. You know, in Malayalam I think semia, I don't know. So you should add this and lower the flame.
Add chicken also. And even shahriya will make it little bit thick.
Okay.
So that's why it is good to add water.
So we're gonna add the chicken and mix the chicken inside. So this time you can add cream or water, it's up to you, but I'm adding a little bit more water, like, you know, mukkal glass of water, that means more than half. So we're gonna let it simmer for like 5 to 10 minutes, but it tastes so good. Another thing, like I said, in here most of the dishes they don't add too much spices. Most probably all the time they're gonna add 3 or 4 spices. That means kimyon, that means jeera powder in India, and some kekik, nane, dried herbs, that means mint, thyme, mint, and oregano, black pepper,
and chili.
And chili. Chili means sweet chili. These are the only thing they use. So our soup is ready. Now we're gonna add the last thing. We're gonna add the lemon. That's a half lemon. We're gonna mix it well. Our soup is ready. So tasty. You guys should, everyone should try in your own. And you should let me know in the comments how is it. Like and subscribe our channels and turn on the notifications so you can get our new post every week. I'm gonna post inshallah every week one video for cooking. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed our video and like the video. See you next time with another video. Bye bye, take care all.